morning guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today's guys is Friday and I am going to harvest my pechay. That is a Chinese spinach. I think that this pechay came from China. We don't know from where this came from, this the origin, the pechay. So we will harvest now guys, and we will cook that. So Dada is there. Where are you? Dada is there putting flour, putting water in the plant, because every other day there is water for us to put in the plant. So ready to harvest na guys. Hi Tommy. So Orlin is went to school today guys. So Orlin is not with me, only Dada. This is my pechay guys, is ready na talaga siya. It's ready to harvest na, and that one is, it's already dry. I don't know what happened, and the leaves is gone. So that's why I decided to remove some of the pechay that it's ready. So you can saute only this one, onion, tomato, like that, and you can add some pork or some fish like that. Our special dish, fish or chicken and or pork. So ready na talaga ako guys. This is organic guys. I didn't put any fertilizer except some of the vegetable or fruits waste, and then I put it in the sand and to cover it for a few days. I removed that one and I put it there in the root of the plant. So this is the result of my plant. It's very organic. So ayan, mag-harvest tayo. Then eto, ayan, ready na talaga siya. Hi! Tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo ba guys? Ayan o. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo ako. Diba? Ayan. So, second. Dada, see, look. I have lots of pechay.
You remove all?
Yeah, no. Not some only. Which one is this one and
It
this
will
one?
not grow again?
No. It's only one time. It will not grow again. So 3. You can see me there. Look. Then this one. Only 4 pieces.
I am also here. They can see my shadow.
Only 4 pieces guys. It's because only,
That one, no, big one.
yeah, that one ready.
That
Because
one also.
this one. Oh, happy.
That one is gone.
Yeah, it's gone. It's become dry. I don't know what happened.
Rest in peace.
Aiko.
Still, you can use the leaves. That one, big one there.
No need that one. So I have some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plant is there, and there is more here. Look at this. There's pechay. This one. Oh, look at this. I'm so happy because I have pechay. I have pork there. You can make saute for you also, because you're not eating pork, no? You can saute only for you. I will.
I'm not interested with the pork.
I know, because you're not eating for 1 year. What is that?
Spinach.
Let's say no spinach.
Walchi bhaji. My black pepper growing.
Yeah, there also. It's guys, you know, if you plant, you will get.
What? What you will get?
You will get some fresh
Mm.
vegetable. See, look at me. See, fresh.
What you call that in Chinese? In English? Sorry.
I don't know. We call that one pechay origin. This one I think in, I don't know, in China or I don't know. It's Asian. Pechay. I don't know from where, which country this one. The origin. So this is, guys, I'm happy. I'm happy. My pechay. My pechay. My pechay is so what? It's so malagaw. We call fresh. My pechay. Guys, my pechay is very, very fresh. My pechay. My pechay. I'm so happy. My pechay. Look at this. From India. I'm so happy because I harvest my pechay. Oh, diba? This is pechay. Is from now from India. It's fresh. Fresh. Fresh from my farm. Mini farm, mini garden. Which I think some this one, this is the cluster vegetable.
Cluster beans.
Cluster beans. It's same, no, vegetable. So this is the this one. We can, I think we can remove this one piece. Huh? So we harvest before, guys. This one now have. I cannot imagine, you know, all my what I plant, it's growing. Oh, they're friends. Oh, they're friends. Julie. Eh, go, hus. Yeah. You want? Sit. Julie there. Julie sleeping. Julie? Julie. Tommy? Sleep. Hi guys, again, welcome back. We're going to Udupi, guys. We're going to like a bazaar in Udupi or Manipal. It's in Udupi, guys. So we see there what is the, what you call this, what the items. It's what you call this, signature items, but you know, no price. So like 10 to 5,000 rupees, it will become like 199 only. So we'll see what is the item they have. So see you in Udupi, guys. Bye bye. We are near now, guys, in Udupi. Not much traffic. Nursery flower. Oh my god. Welcome to Udupi. So we are here now, guys, in bazaar. Ayan, nandito yung iba sa labas. So we'll see what's inside. So ito na, guys, this is the inside. So Dada is looking for daily use. Ang daming tao, so lot people. Namimili si Dada. Okay, guys. It's a branded. What is this? This fire. So, ito gusto ko ito, guys. Madami. It's
This one.
wait, ang price niya is 2,199. Nagiging 300 na lang siya. Short siya. So, kunin ko ito. So, which one you want? This one? This one also good. This one also good. This one also good. Large? Check. Oh. You think? Eh? There is no? You put in your neck? Oh, then okay. Exalt that one large. No, this is okay for you. You will do diet, no?
Okay, just keep eating.
Yeah. The basket is taking the other person. We'll see. So,
You buy this one?
yeah. No, I don't want. So, ayan guys, tapos na kami sa pagpili. Nakabili ako ng isang top at isang short skirt type. Then kay Dada, isang pants na Puma. Hindi siya it's not the pants be, no? No?
It's like a cargo type.
Yes. And it's not like what do you expect? Oh, sorry. Belt tayo guys. Kasi dito tayo sa city. I was expect that less than like what they're saying, no? In the video 199. So if you are seeing the video 199 when coming here 300 400 500 1000 1400 like that. So we finished there, then we're going to what you call D-Mart. Buy some items. So we cannot also video there because it's not allowed. So we'll see guys. See ya when I see ya. D-Mart. So, yan guys. We finished already in D-Mart. Now we're going home. So hungry na. Dada. We just eat ice cream before. Then, that's it guys. Nagutom na din ako. Nag-aaway na ng mga sa tiyan. Mga alaga. Ang alaga ko sa aking tiyan. My alaga in my stomach is fighting there. I need food.